Here discussing why I switched from E-Trade to Thinkorswim. In previous videos, you would see that I'm using E-Trade. I still have an account with them, I just don't use it anymore. Switched over to TD or Thinkorswim just because I thought supported options are much better and had better support, free trading platform. Those are really the main reasons why. Now I'm going to go over a little bit what like the platform is and some like aspects of it. But E-Trade it was more just like for stocks, and you had to do a lot more on your own. I would say, which isn't wrong. Don't get me wrong, but this to me has a lot more tools and a lot more to offer. So right here in this trade tab, this is where you could get your options chains, your forex, your futures, the active trader, which really is just you have your time, no, not your time of sales, but you have like your table right here, along with the chart. I don't use this at all. This is really for if you have like a lot of capital, you can just buy really quick, sell really quick. This is more for I don't really know what this is. I don't go near it. The pairs trader. This is for options again, but I don't really go into active trader and pairs trader. All products. This is where you'll get, like I said, your options chains, trade grid. You could have multiple tickers up. The options chain. I just do all strikes. It's just something I've always liked. The June 2/14 describes the expiration, and in parentheses, this is how many days until expiration. And down here, we have the option statistics. You'll have your IV percentile, your 52-week IV high, IV low. You'll have your implied volatility. You'll get how many calls are still open, how many puts are still open, your sizzle index. You get a lot of information in this tab. Moving on, option times of sales. This would be relevant during the regular market, but you could check to see how much is traded, like 70 shares of the June 14 610 calls. I don't use this. I look at the option statistics and product depth. These are the only things I really look at. Forex, I don't trade Forex, but this would be your Forex tab. Futures trader, this explains itself. I use this. I don't trade futures, but I'll look at this to analyze the futures. I really only look here though. I don't actually watch them that much. I used to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually get more info on the active trader and pairs trader, and bring another video to you guys explaining what that really is. So moving on to analyze tab. In this tab, you can put on simulated trades, so you don't have to risk any capital. You can actually just test out some strategies. And this, I actually have a position January 16 for Activision, which I think is a very good company. I own stock in it. After you add your simulated trade, you can view the risk profile of it. Now, the way you change that is down here. Like, let's say we want to put on a trade. Let's do the June 14. We'll do the 21 call. We'll buy it. So we buy 10. So now when we look at our risk profile, it'll tell us how much money we'll make, when and where. We can change the date. So the further we get in, as you see it alters it until we get to our break even. So now 21.42 would be our break even. Our max loss would be 420, and really our max, like the most we can make, is infinite. But that's how you would check it if you want to check in time. I'm just going to put this back to the right date. Probability analysis. This will tell you the probability of the price range right here of being in the money. So if you look at the $20.92 range to $23, you look over here, these are your option contract expirations. So you can always look into the future. So now the probability of being below 1883 is 46%. But I strongly disagree with that. I don't know why it's probably so high. I think it'll be right here above 2301. Activision has a lot of good products. It's never really been a losing company. It's always been making money. It's just my opinion. I'm not a professional, so now think back. You can obviously do what it says. Think back. So like if we want to put an Activision, think back to 531. Look at the option prices. You could do this for all stocks, and then look at, so like let's say we want to do 21 for the 21 call, buy that for 21 cents. Then we keep moving, find that, and then compare. You just, that's pretty much all that's to it. Change this, you'll see your percent open. So if you would have bought this, you would have been out of money. Yeah, I want this on the right date. Sorry about this, guys. Fundamentals. Find the fundamentals of your stock. Let's do Activision again. So you'll get all your company info, get your earnings per share, get the trend, 2009. You know, get all your information, profitability. Scan. Got your stock hacker. This is just a basic stock scanner. You can apply study filters. You can apply an option filter. But I don't really use this. I use FinViz. I like that screener much better. Option hacker. This will find your options to buy. Spread hackers. This will help you find a spread. Show you an example. This will give you like calendar spreads. You could change it to just do verticals. I gotta click scan. So now probability of profits 99%, but this trade will never go through. So as you see, that's how that works. Spread books. This will tell you the types of spreads that went in for a stock. So these are all the spreads that went through on Friday. Now to Market Watch, got your quotes for a watch list. Right now I'm running the Tasty Trade watch list. You can set alerts, visualize the market. It's not loading. My computer's freezing. Oh, there we go. Great. So you'll get a heat map showing S&P 500, Dow Jones, S&P 100, Nasdaq 100, Russell 2000. Rollover rates, don't really use this tab much. And then calendar, this will help you find important news information or use it as a calendar. You could also use this for earnings. As you see, dividends, earnings, you could, really edit this. And charts, chart tab, profit. I showed you this in one of the videos. This will help you find patterns and charts. And tools, don't really use this. Help. I mean, that's what it is. But I think that's going to wrap it up. If you guys want to comment, I'll go into more depth of actual certain tabs, like quick maybe 3-minute videos, go into deeper depth, because I kind of really ran through this. Probably what really isn't that good on my part, but I'll probably do that. I'll just post videos going over like how to actually do an option scan, do a spread scan, do a stock scan, how to analyze a stock, how to look at the risk profile, how how do you really use the profit chart. So I think I'm gonna do that. Comment if you guys want me to do that. Yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up for now. I'll be posting another video today, and have a good day.